You want what?
I like lobster and butter.
You like lobster and butter?
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter? You want any sides with it?
Fish.
Fish with,
sandwich?
with your lobster?
No, I just like fish and
Yeah.
butter at the place where Doug and Linda take us, and they had to eat it with butter because you're poor.
I know I am, especially after these last 3 weeks.
I make you poor?
I know. You ready to go back to your room?
Mm-mm. I'm tired.
You're tired?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you want steak then? Steak sound good?
I like big steak
Yeah.
out back.
Outback Steakhouse?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, my favorite's Texas Roadhouse.
I like when Ashley worked at Outback.
Yep, she was a hostess there. And Phil was the cook.
What do you like to drink it out back?
A peachy drink.
You all be darned.
Mm-hmm.
New Hope likes him too.
Jerry's eating lobster?
Yeah, babe, it's good, babe.
That's expensive.
I know, who cares? Mark's paying for it.
He's broke.
No, he's not. He's bullshitting you.
I'm using your card.
Don't use my card. It's not even funny.
Yeah. Alright, I'll put your card away.
Better.
I thought you'd share it with me.
I'll stick this where up your butt.
Whoa.
That's not very nice.
My throat hurts.
Was it?
It's probably from having that scope, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Either that or Dr. Cha-Cha gave you something else.
Hope not.
So Jerry can have lobster on your card?
No, that's expensive.
I know.
It's on sale, though.
Somebody's eating lobster.
With drawn butter.
I like lobster and butter.
Alright, well you get some sleep.